guys, and today, as you can see, my friend Brandon or whatever, he fixed my Rubik's Cube now, and I'm gonna show you a pattern and how to do it. So let me put you right there. So all you have to do is, so you can start on any side. So I'm going to start on the red side. Flip this all the way around till you see the orange on the red side. Do that again. Then you turn it this way. Then mix a pattern at the top. Then look at the sides. So all you have to do is just go like that. And all of them is a pattern. That's all I wanted to show you, and I'll see you. And it's easy to put it back, so all you have to do is just go like that, then down, down, then other side, then other side. So that's a cool thing that I wanted to show you, and I'll see you later. Bye. Peace out. Boom.